Think about the function of a staircase. It is a transition, a utility. It gets you from high point to a lower one, vice versa. But what if that journey could be more than just a series of steps? What if the act of moving between your deck and your yard could feel like passing through a small curated garden? Integrating planter box into a wooden deck staircase is a direct way to achieve this. It is a design choice that merges pure function with living beauty, turning a necessary structure into a dynamic green feature of your outdoor space. The core idea is straightforward. Instead of having solid sides or open stringers on your stairs, you incorporate sturdy, built-in wooden boxes at various points along the descent. These aren't flimsy pots placed on the steps. They are structural elements, often replacing a section of the railing or sitting flush against the stringer. The sloped board that supports the steps. They become a fundamental part of the staircase's architecture, not an afterthought. The material wood creates a natural unity. The staircase, typically built from pressure-treated lumber, cedar, or composite with a wood-like appearance, provides a framework. The planter boxes are then constructed from the same or complementary wood. This could be the same cedar for a cohesive look, or contrasting tone like rich walnut stain boxes against lighter deck for visual interest. The wood for the planters needs to be robust, often lined with a durable membrane or built from rot-resistant species to handle constant soil moisture. This shared material language ties the living elements to the built structure, making the whole assembly feel intentional and grounded. From a practical standpoint, this integration solves a common deck design challenge. What to do with often awkward, empty space alongside or beneath the stairs. It utilizes that vertical real estate productively. The planters add weight and visual solidity to the staircase, enhancing its presence. They can also serve a subtle safety function, acting as a partial barrier that gently discourages people, especially children, from getting too close to the open side of the steps. But the real transformation is in the experience. A staircase with integrated planters changes your passage. You're no longer just walking down steps. You're moving past a cascading wall of color and texture. You can design the planting for year-round interest. In summer, boxes at the top might spill over the fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme, releasing their scent as you brush past. Lower boxes could be filled with drought-tolerant succulents, shade-loving ferns for the steps below the deck, or bursts of seasonal annuals of vivid color. In winter, the structure of the boxes themselves, perhaps filled with the sculptural shapes of ornamental grasses or evergreen shrubs, maintain visual interest. This design also encourages engagement. It brings gardening to a convenient height, making it easier to water, trim, and tend to plants without excessive bending. It turns maintenance into a simple part of descending or ascending. The planters become small, accessible garden pockets, inviting you to touch and interact with the greenery as you pass by. Aesthetically, it softens the hard lines of the staircase. The organic, growing forms of the plant contrast beautifully with the clean, geometric lines of the wooden steps and railings. It blurs the line between the constructed deck and the natural landscape it overlooks, helping the entire structure feel more integrated into the yard. The staircase ceases to be just a connector and becomes a destination in itself, a vertical garden to be appreciated. In the end, a wooden deck staircase with planter boxes is a smart fusion of carpentry and horticulture. It uses the strength and warmth of wood to create a framework for life. It is a functional piece of infrastructure that doubles as a dynamic landscape feature, enriching the daily ritual of moving between your home and your garden. What is the biggest benefit of this combination for you? Is it the efficient use of vertical space for gardening, the way it softens and beautifies a necessary structure, or the interactive sensory experience it creates on an everyday path? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating!